Hello everyone, these are some of the stuff that I bought recently from different thrift stores. Let's start with the biggest thing. Here we have this disco light. I bought it for 25 bucks. This is the receipt. I bought it from the Salvation Armies, the Salvo store, 25 bucks. I bought it 27th of May 2022. We'll be reviewing this and taking it apart, cleaning it in a different video. Here I'm just gonna show you just a quick look. I think it's 25 bucks. That's expensive. I don't know why I paid that much, but for the channel maybe it's good to have a look. Second, I bought these selfie sticks for $2 each. I got 5. Again, why? No, I got 6 or 5. 5, I think. Yeah. Again, I don't know why I bought them. I already have a few that I bought from eBay, but I think these are cheaper than buying them from eBay or AliExpress, so that's why I grabbed them. They will come handy one day. Put them aside. This pack, DS Lite, 17 pieces, premium pack. Let's get rid of the flicker. Let's see if we turn this light off, maybe we'll get rid of the flicker. No. Anyways, let's go further. Yeah, I paid $5 for this. You have a hard case and cartridge holders, car charger, headphone, 2 styluses. Yeah, just random stuff. $5. I got this mug for $2. It has a crack here, small crack. It has a space here for cartridge. It's something nice to hold pens or whatever. Got this for $2. I also brand new water bottle. I got what do you call it? Watering timer. A timer for watering plants. I think it's used, but it looks new. Yeah, probably it's used. It's a dual timer, so it has 2 outlets, and from my understanding that you can control them separately. Where do you put the batteries? I'm not sure. There's no manual. We will figure it out later. Yeah, I thought it's new when I bought it, so but now I can see that it's been used, so it's not new. And I paid how much? $4. Still good price. This is a electric breast pump, brand new, $5. Also, we'll have a look at it, take it apart in a different video. Let's start with the small one. I got this 13-in-1 educational solar robot kit for $10, brand new all stock. They're all, the new ones are new all stock. Well, I'm not gonna review this because I will be building it with the kids. This is a clown console. I already I think I don't remember how much I paid. I think $5 maybe, or $4, but I already made a video. Still need to upload it. I repaired it and we'll do a gameplay. This is a desktop LED USB message fan for $15. It'll show you a message, like you plug it in and it will show you a message. Maybe we'll give you a quick demonstration. It has a software, so you can upload your message, your own message. I need a power adapter. Let's get it from here. USB adapter. Not bad for $15. And finally, this is an old all-in-one computer. I bought it for $30. It's expensive compared to the computers that I'm selling, because what I'm selling, it's not expensive, it's like just the right price, similar to how much I'm selling the old computer that I got. The only thing, I bought it because it's all-in-one. It says here low generation XP operating system, 16-byte RAM. I don't know if this is accurate. Oops. 4 USB ports here on the bottom, 1 Ethernet, 2 USB, SD card reader, audio jack, and volume or contrast maybe. This is a knob. This is the power adapter, the keyboard, and a Skype phone, VoIP phone by the look of it. It has a Skype logo here, but no mouse. So let's turn it on and see if it works. It should work. Yeah, green light is on. And it's working. Windows XP. It was on hold when I first came to buy it. They said they will leave it on hold. phone stopped recording for some reason. Yeah, I was saying it was on hold. They told me someone asked to keep it, put it on hold. So I had to come the next day and it was still there. So I bought it. I don't have a mouse. Let me grab a mouse. I think this mouse is the best fit because it's the same color, except this one's Microsoft. Yeah, it works. Properties. AMD Simmerton processor, 1.50 gigahertz, 896 megabyte of RAM. Let's see the hard drive. We have 2 hard drives. Yes, that's about 150 or something gigabyte. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Just a quick video. We'll be reviewing most of the stuff that I got here in a separate video, separate videos, but this one they're gonna review it. And stick around. Thank you for watching.